we're about to go snorkeling.
The mermaid's gonna be doing a backflip after this. Go, 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 go. Woohoo! Pula! Crocodile in the water.
Honestly, I have no idea when I picked this up last. So maybe to explain a little bit, we're basically traveling all around the island of Fiji for 2 weeks. We're ending it with a big hike to one of the inland villages. But right now we're actually staying in a really nice resort. We got here on Saturday. We stayed in a hostel, which was not as nice as this, for 2 nights. And then we got to go to this place. And we're here for 5 nights. So I'm really excited about that. It's beautiful here. And this is where we're getting scuba certified. Yeah, so hopefully I continue to keep filming. So this is our room. We're at the Pearl. We're actually right by Suva, which is the capital. And yeah, I'm so excited to sleep here. Good morning, everyone. It is May 29th, around 8 a.m. I just had breakfast and I have my first day of scuba lessons today. So the first 2 days are like book work, and then the third will go in the ocean. So it's a little nerve-wracking, but also exciting. Mostly nerve-wracking, but I think once I learn more about it today, it'll be a lot less scary. So yeah. So I kind of like completely forgot to film anything again today, but today was our second day of scuba lessons. So today we went in the pool and we did 2 dives. Long story short, I kind of freaked out, but I got through it, so that's all that matters. I don't need to explain the in-between. I got down there, so that's all that matters. But yeah, so we're about to go to a kava ceremony and have dinner at this place across the street, so I'll definitely bring you along.